keeping a man's interest in a world that makes them believe that they have too many options, and is overpopulated with girls bearing all of their goodies on Instagram, can be challenging, but it can be done. If you want to keep and pique his interest, here are 5 ways to make a guy want you bad. 1. Don't be too available. When a guy knows he can see a girl anytime that's convenient for him, it decreases any sense of urgency to hang out with her. If a guy thinks your social calendar is full, he'll be much quicker to try to secure a slot for himself. The same goes for texting. If you're always by your phone responding the minute he texts you, he will think you don't have anything else to do. Men want something that they think other men want. Don't play games, but play it cool. It's okay to say yes to last-minute plans on occasion, but keep in mind, absence makes the heart grow fonder, and desire burning. 2. Always leave him wanting more. Don't give away your whole life's story on your first, second, or even third date. Build intrigue. Give him half of the most interesting facts and tidbits about your life on your first date, and sprinkle the rest throughout subsequent dates. It's like leaving a trail of breadcrumbs for him to follow to your heart. If he feels like he knows everything about you, he probably won't be chomping at the bit to book your next date. 3. Let him think he's in charge. Men don't like to be bossed around or dominated. They want to be the alpha. That doesn't mean you can't be in charge. He just has to think he's in charge. Find ways to drop subtle hints to get what you want. We all have a boss at work. Guys don't want to date one too. Keep in mind that boss means loss of a guy's interest. 4. Dress to impress. People are attracted to people who take care of themselves. Taking care of yourself is a sign that you invest in yourself, which is attractive. You don't need to spend your entire paycheck on designer duds, but you should make sure that your outfit fits well and is sans wrinkles. While you're at it, make sure you're maintaining your appearance. Shave your legs, file your nails, and please blow dry your hair. If you don't make any effort to look nice for your date, he probably won't put any effort into asking you out again. 5. Take an interest in his interests. Guys want to be around girls who they can share things they like with. If every time he brings up his favorite video game, or his love for golf, you roll your eyes, you're going to exhaust him instead of excite him, and will make him want to consciously uncouple from you. While you don't have to memorize Rory McIlroy's steps, Wikipedia the basics of the game so you can chime in on the conversation, or find a video game you will both like to play. The girls and guys who game together, stay together. 6. Don't flake on a date. As hard as it is to believe, it takes courage for a guy to ask you out. Once you say yes, he thinks he's out of the danger zone of rejection. Unless you have a really good reason, and I'm talking a medical or family emergency, do not cancel a date you've already agreed to. If it was your first date, chances are the guy won't try to reschedule. If you've been out a few times before, or have flaked on dates you've committed to before, he won't take you seriously. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you want to attract a man you want, don't miss the video that I put the link in the description. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video.